Every astrologer whose worth is salt practices silence and
Yes.
breathing, slow breathing. How many of you are spending time every day in meditation and practicing slow breathing?
I'm
That
going
means
for a
your
walk.
guru hasn't told you. Are you everybody let everybody speak? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Your guru hasn't taught you the absolute fundamentals.
Yes, sir.
I'm not talking about you, Ayub. I'm talking about everyone. If you have
Okay.
not been taught pranayam, patience, my personal students, after I see their charts, I give them 4 options. What do you want to achieve? Depending on what they want to achieve, I give them the specific day they're supposed to observe silence.
Yes, sir. I am the witness one. Yeah, and the energy was tremendous. I cannot control of it.
Click on the subscribe button, especially the bell on the right side. Otherwise, you will miss the latest videos.
Mundane astrology. I repeat, anybody who's been observing senior astrologers who are extremely good in mundane astrology would observe that all the senior astrologers, they may be using many dasha systems on the horoscopes of nations, okay, but they use transits most effective. I have seen this over a period of 3-4 decades. People are absolutely minute in transits, and in that I have seen Chawla sahab, Mr. Vijay Chawla ji, use what my other second teacher, Sri Paresh Desai from Mumbai, uses. That is Naumansh transits, which means just can anybody tell me where is Jupiter in which Rashi in Naumansh right now?
In the Scorpio sign.
Huh? What you
Where is
Cancer. Cancer.
He is in moon sign, sir. Cancer.
Wonderful.
Where is Moon right now?
Yeah.
Sir, right now, today, moon is in Venus, sir, Libra.
Yeah.
Swati first pada.
No, I'm saying Moon is in which Naumansh?
Which right now he was in the morning in Jupiter Navamsa, Sagittarius Navamsa. Right now it may be in Capricorn, sir.
There is no might be in astrology. Let us
Sir,
be
I
very
won't check.
sure.
Okay,
My dear friend, let us
Sir,
be
it's
very
in
sure. Moon
fourth
is
Navam.
in Capricorn with Surya with Venus. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
At least
Yes,
by correct.
yes, sir.
Now, what Chawla ji does, okay, and I've seen senior astrologers do, and this is not a technique to be discussed so easily, okay, but I'm giving you food for thought. You can work on it. When you work on it, you will realize you can make predictions for every few hours.
Okay.
Right now, see in your natal chart where Capricorn is sitting. Are you getting it?
According to ascendant or the moon chart, sir?
Your voice is very low, my dear friend.
According to moon chart or lagna, sir?
How now you're asking an extremely basic question, but a very valid question which has already been answered yesterday. Okay, by Sri Dharmesh Mehta ji. Whichever from Moon Lagna and also from the Karaka Lagna, and
Yes, sir.
give weightage more for whichever is the strongest. So you see where Capricorn is in your natal chart from all these 3 points. That activity you're doing right now, your mind is there.
Yes, sir.
Events will be based on that.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Are you getting it, everybody? ये बहुत बारीक टेक्निक है. You'll go mad. You'll not be able to sleep. You'll become a maniac in predicting events or people. Are you getting it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Only
Sir,
one person saying yes, sir. Other people are understanding, not understanding. How do I come
Yes,
to
sir.
know?
Yes, sir.
for
Yes,
for
sir.
Yes, sir.
example,
We are getting.
They
Yes,
want
yes,
an
sir.
example.
sir, no,
Or
my
has
example.
everybody understood?
Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes,
Capricorn
sir.
is a result-giving sign right now.
Sorry?
Capricorn is a result-giving sign right now.
And where its lord is sitting, or which planet is in Capricorn in your natal chart.
Yes,
Common
sir.
sense, we can't keep it aside.
Yes,
We will
sir.
have to use our common astrological logics, basics that we are using, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, everybody? Cameras on, please. I can't understand if
Yes,
you have
sir.
understood a technique. Because
Yeah,
Chawla Sahib is 1 billion times of us.
Yes,
Sir,
So
yes,
if
sir.
you
I
have
got
to
it.
understand Chawla Sahib, you have to gear up. You have to gear up, put on your, track pants, be ready to run.
Have a quick coffee also.
But I wanted to ask Chawla sir one question, sir.
Please wait, Ayub. Please wait. Please understand, everybody. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let the speaker at least start his lecture before you ask him questions.
Okay, sir.
Patience is the absolute key of anybody who has been an astrologer.
Yes, sir.
Every astrologer whose worth is salt practices silence and
Yes.
breathing, slow breathing. How many of you are spending time every day in meditation and practicing slow breathing?
I'm
That
going
means
for a
your
walk.
guru hasn't told you. Ayub, everybody let everybody speak. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Your guru hasn't taught you the absolute fundamentals.
Yes, sir.
I'm not talking about you, Ayub. I'm talking about everyone. If you have not been taught pranayam, patience, my personal students, after I see their charts, I give them 4 options. What do you want to achieve? Depending on what they want to achieve, I give them the specific day they're supposed to observe silence.
yes, sir. I am the witness one. Yeah, and the energy was tremendous. I cannot control of it.
People go mad when they do it at the day and the time, I tell them. They go
Yeah.
mad. They say this is absolutely stunning.
Yes, yes. The intuition
Right
level
now,
was. Yeah.
I went for a break. Okay. Now see what happened. Capricorn is activated. So this is activated. Done. Everybody done.
Yeah.
This Capricorn is in the 8th house of sadhana. And what I was doing last 1 hour or 40 minutes rather, deep meditation aspect is going in the 12th house. And little bit I went into trance, not my normal stuff. So you're understanding how we are playing. This Jupiter is getting activated sitting in Capricorn. It is aspecting 2nd house. I have to order groceries now on Instamart. I have to. Wife has given me a complete list. The cook has given her the list. Are you understanding how do we predict? How do we predict? You all need to become stunning predictors. The dispositor, this is aspecting 2nd house. The Lord of is here. What am I doing? I'm communicating. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
What will be the manner of communication? It will be a bit stronger. Why? Sign is Leo. But since it is moon, still I will be trying to be compassionate. This moon is aspected by Mars. So then I would remember the movie Simba, Don't Angry Me. Ranveer Kapoor, or whoever was the hero. You got to play around every time. Please understand, astrology is 24 hours. Anything that's happening around you, use this moon technique to start with. Then take the other 9 planets. The next 1 year, you'll go mad. You'll literally go mad. Any event that happens in India, every day morning newspaper, my job is, I read newspaper and India's chart is in front. How many of you do that? कैसे आप लोग ज्योतिष करेंगे? How will you do astrology? Are you getting it?
Yeah.
What is Joe Biden's lagna? Anybody?
We have to check it.
Yeah. If I tell you Katrina case lagna, all of you will tell me. Okay. And what are the latest heroines in the Hollywood? You all will know their lagna, but you don't know Joe Biden's lagna.
Let me check on the Saptarishi app.
So
Yeah.
you have to, what I'm trying to say is, okay, transits are the king, absolute king. Absolute king. Sometimes it supersedes the show. Sometimes it's very, very easy with transits.
Sagittarius Lagna, sir.
Okay.